Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the display bezel from a Dell Latitude 3590. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew, then use fingers to pry apart bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and lift right hinge from palm rest. Then unscrew and lift left hinge from palm rest. Now remove display assembly. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove bezel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.